According to the National Weather Service of Paducah, Kentucky, the preliminary rating of the Western Kentucky tornado is EF4. The tornado could still be upgraded to a rating of EF5 if new damage warrants it. Governor Andy Beshear and President Joe Biden surveyed storm damage Wednesday, with Biden saying the federal government will do everything it can to help the communities rebuild. Beshear confirmed 74 deaths across the state, and officials believe there are more than 100 Kentuckians still unaccounted for. 12 of those killed in the storm were children, and 8 of the dead were unidentified or next of kin had not been notified. The National Weather Service in Louisville said survey teams confirmed EF3 tornado damage in Bowling Green, Taylor County, and Logan County. At least EF1 damage was also found in Greene and Spencer County. Additional surveys will continue throughout the week. The National Weather Service said several Midwest states are also projected to see severe weather Wednesday. The agency issued 2 never-before-seen outlooks for dangerous weather in Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin.